Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Kleena here, and today I'm going to take you through the solution to question 5 from this Junior Cert Ordinary Level paper. And this question is based on Venn diagrams. So we're told that there are 6 students in a class who were asked if they ran or cycled during the midterm break. So there's 6 students in the universal set, so that's the total number of students who are going to be in our Venn diagram. O represents the students who ran and C represents the students who cycled. So we can see here that we have the universal set, so I'm going to put in 6 there, so there should be 6 students altogether, and there is, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. Or here is the students who ran, C is the students who cycled, and we can see Paul here did neither. So question A asks us to name one student who ran during the midterm break. So let's have a look at the set of students who ran. So in the OR circle, there is Jerome, Tim, Marcella, or Denise. Now we can see that Tim and Denise also cycled, but that doesn't take away from the fact that they ran. So any of these 4 students is the correct answer to question A. So I'm going to write down Tim, just because it's the easiest to write out. And for this question, for writing down any of the 4 names in the OR set, you're going to get a total of 5 marks. So now let's move on to question B. Question B asks us to explain what the following statement means in terms of the students in the class. So we have the number of C is equal to 3. So if we look at the diagram, we can see that in the set C, there are 3 students. So that means that the number of students who cycled was 3. So the answer is 3 students cycled over the midterm. Now question C asks us to name one student who is in the region or intersection C in the Venn diagram. So or intersection C is those students who are in the OR set and in the C set. So the students who ran and cycled. So we're asked to name one student. So OR intersection C is this set here. So Tim and Denise both ran and cycled. So either of these students, Tim or Denise, again, I'm going to write Tim just because it's the easiest to write. But either Tim or Denise would give you the marks here. And so for question B and C both, you're going to get a total of 5 marks altogether. Now let's go on to the final part of this question, question D. So we're told that one student is picked at random from the 6 students in the Venn diagram. What is the probability that the student ran during the midterm break? So it's going to be all over 6 because there's 6 students all together, but I'm going to put it down here first just in case we can simplify. So how many students ran? 1, 2, 3, 4 students ran. So the probability of picking a student who ran when you pick one at random is 4 out of 6. Now this can be simplified because we can divide above and below by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 4/6 is equal to 2/3. So the answer is 2 over 3. And for this question, you're going to get a total of 5 marks. Now, if you left your answer as 4 over 6, you would still get these 5 marks. But in other questions, you might lose marks if you don't simplify, so it's always best to simplify. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful and I might have cleared up anything you might have been a bit confused about. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you all in the next video.